Hi guys! So papunta kami ngayon sa Bel Magaraw.
May haranahin po kami doon. Siyempre, surprise para sa nanay.
At may dala-dala po kaming flowers.
Na may laman po na
7,000 pesos! At may cake din po and balloon.
yes, we're so excited po. Ayan, papunta na kami.
Tara na guys, sama kayo.
Sana'y na magising kung nangangarap mantin ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay nadarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maniindig, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Iingatan ka, aalagaan ka. Sa puso ko, ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating mundo'y may gagabay sa'yo. Ang tunay ko'y itong pagmamahal ko. May nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko. Buhay na kay ganda, pangarap ko na makamtan mo na. Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, and letting me know it from what is not. What I got is what I'd ever hoped for. And the love what I hope for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no hope from grace can stop me from believing that my love will come in thanks to you. Happy 54th birthday, Mama. A simple woman who has always been there for me. You know how much I love you. You are the best mother in the entire universe, Mama. Stay healthy and more birthday blessings to come. Sana kahit sa simple na surprise ako, sa imo ay mapasaya kita. May God continue to bless you. I am blessed to have you a mother like you. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. There's no highest falling down, children loving all around. Let it turning on. And baby, I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you for every day. Set your heart be broken apart. You gave your love away. I'm thankful every day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Salamat lang yung pagkakasalamat sa trabaho sa kuya ni birthday. Sana yan sa kanya.
Hi guys! Tapos na po yung harana namin. At sa mga gusto rin magpaharana, mag-subscribe lang po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, Iharana Official Account, at
Siyempre po, inquire lang po kayo sa Facebook page namin, Iharana. Ayan, and mag-send po kami ng mga packages sa inyo. Ayan! Avail po kayo sa lahat ng promo. Okay, bye-bye!